Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up make.com scenarios for ClickUp task synchronization, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your make.com account. If you don't have an account, create one to get started. Next, navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. You will see a blank canvas for your scenario. Now, search for ClickUp in the apps list. Drag and drop the ClickUp module onto the canvas. Choose the trigger event, such as New Task. Authorize your ClickUp account by following the prompts. Select the workspace and specific space where your tasks are located. Once you have set up the trigger, click on the Add Another Module button. Again, search for ClickUp. This time, select the action event, such as Create Task. Configure the required fields for the task creation. Map the necessary data from your trigger to the action fields. You can add filters to specify when the action should occur. Click on the wrench icon to customize your scenario settings if needed. Now, proceed to save your scenario. You can test the scenario by clicking the Run Once button. Monitor the operation to ensure it runs smoothly. If there are any errors, troubleshoot them based on the provided feedback. Once everything is working perfectly, enable your scenario. This will allow it to run automatically based on your defined trigger. You have now completed the setup for ClickUp task synchronization using make.com scenarios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.